Building a sustainable wealth strategy, how to create long-term financial success. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're focusing on building a sustainable wealth strategy that will help you create long-term financial success. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by managing your money or unsure about how to secure your financial future, this video is for you. A sustainable wealth strategy goes beyond just saving or investing. It's about creating a plan that works for you in the long run and continues to grow over time. 1. Start with a clear financial vision. The first step in building a sustainable wealth strategy is to have a clear financial vision. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve financially in 5, 10, or 20 years? Do you want to own a home? Travel the world? Retire early? Pay for your children's education? Whatever your goals are, get specific about what financial success looks like for you. This vision will guide your decisions and help you stay focused on your goals. Once you have your vision, break it down into short-term, mid-term, and long-term goals. For example, a short-term goal might be to pay off credit card debt, while a long-term goal might be to build a $1 million investment portfolio. 2. Build a strong financial foundation before you start investing heavily. It's essential to have a strong financial foundation. This means creating a budget, paying off high-interest debt, and building an emergency fund. A strong foundation will ensure that you're not only able to weather any financial storms but that you'll also have the flexibility to invest for the future without stress. Start by paying down high-interest debt. The sooner you eliminate credit card debt or payday loans, the more room you'll have in your budget for savings and investments. 3. Develop multiple income streams. One of the secrets to long-term financial success is to develop multiple income streams. Relying on one source of income can be risky, especially if your primary job is affected by economic downturns, layoffs, or other unforeseen circumstances. Multiple income streams provide financial security and allow you to accumulate wealth at a faster rate. Look for ways to diversify your income. This could include starting a side business, investing in rental properties, or even earning passive income through dividends from stocks. The key is to find avenues that align with your skills and interests so that they're sustainable over time. 4. Start investing early and consistently. As we mentioned before, investing early and consistently is one of the best ways to build wealth over time. Whether you're investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or other assets, the earlier you start, the more you benefit from the power of compound interest. One strategy for consistent investing is to use a dollar-cost averaging approach. This involves investing a fixed amount of money into your chosen investments at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. Over time, this strategy helps reduce the risk of market volatility and allows you to take advantage of fluctuations in the market. 5. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is one of the most important principles of investing. It's not about putting all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across a variety of asset classes: stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, and even alternative investments like cryptocurrency or private equity. Diversifying your portfolio helps manage risk and ensures that you're not exposed to the downturn of any one market segment. For example, while stocks may perform poorly during a recession, bonds or real estate could provide stable returns. 6. Protect your wealth with insurance. Building wealth is one thing, but protecting that wealth is just as important. That's where insurance comes into play. Health insurance, life insurance, disability insurance, and property insurance are all crucial for protecting your wealth from unexpected events. In addition to protecting your assets, it's important to consider estate planning. This ensures that your wealth is distributed according to your wishes and that your loved ones are taken care of in the event of your passing. 7. Monitor and adjust your strategy regularly. Finally, one of the most important aspects of building long-term wealth is to regularly monitor and adjust your strategy. Your financial situation, goals, and priorities will change over time, and your wealth strategy should reflect those changes. Set aside time at least once a year to review your finances and assess whether you're on track to meet your goals. Are your investments performing as expected? Have any of your goals changed? This regular review will help ensure that you're always moving toward your financial vision. To wrap up, building a sustainable wealth strategy involves a clear financial vision, paying off debt, diversifying your income, and investing early. By regularly monitoring your progress and making adjustments, you can ensure that you stay on track to achieve long-term financial success.